guys, so starting a new project. It's a V engine. I'd really love to do the V engine. I'm not 100% sure how to do it, to be honest with you. I'm not a professional, just a novice and just a hobby, but I've got these at 45 degrees angle there and thinking of putting it like that. Obviously an engine will go there, an engine will go there. I'm not sure how the flywheel will work. I'm not sure what flywheel I'm going to use, whether it's going to be heavy or not so heavy kind of thing. But I think not so heavy is a good idea. But I don't know what's going to happen at the bottom here. So I'm sure I have to have something at the bottom there. Probably something like this at the bottom there to keep it up like that. And the flywheel will go on there maybe. And then this has to be on the base or something like that. So that's the plan at the moment. I made these like 5 inches long, but obviously they're not going to be that long. I'll probably cut it down to 4 inches or even less, depending how big the engine I make. Now, on my last video I said I had a problem with making the 2 holes, the inlet and the outlet holes on my engines, and I'm finding I'm going to do something or try something different, which means I'm going to put 2 holes in first and then make the flywheel, not the flywheel, the other side of the flywheel to match that. See how that works? But if that works, I think that's the way to go. Thank you. So guys, I made up a template. How accurate this is, I don't know. I don't even know if it will work, but we're going to try. That's the template, okay? So guys, I made this 1¼ inch long. I've marked it out, and you can see my center punch is not 100%, but that's where the hole's going to go. And if you put it against the template, it's about like that, you know, roughly. So I'm just going to be making it just like that, and then we'll see how it goes after that. I held this on there, and I do the hole. I'm going to attempt to make a piston with this. My lathe doesn't cut straight, unfortunately. I'll do the best I can. I'm going to face it off there. This side just needs going down a little bit, otherwise it's fine. So I've made 2 now, goes nicely, fits nicely as far as I'm concerned. And this one too, nicely slides in. Nice, so yeah. So this is the cylinder, and what I did, I measured how deep it goes in there, and then I marked it that way. You can see it comes to about there. I marked the central line going there. I put a center punch there, but I'm thinking If I drill a hole there and it mismatches, I'm going to be in real big trouble. So what I did is I put my template and use one of these holes there against that center punch like this, and I marked in there with a scriber, so it tells me whereabouts that will be, it is there. So if I drill a hole there, not totally in obviously, because the screw's going to go in there, M3 screw go in there. And then when I've done that, I can put it across like that and drill a hole from there straight into there, and that way I know it's matching up. I've tried putting a thread inside here, it just doesn't work, so I made the hole bigger. It just sits down on it. What I'm going to have to do is use some kind of glue to hold it there, and that's the idea of it this time. I'm going to raise this end up in a minute, but I'm thinking if I have this hole at least in the same kind of spot, it'll be helpful. I'm not going to put these holes in. I think I'll get it all wrong if I do that. So if I do it this way and drill a hole through there, it'll be in the same spot.